Hello guys, welcome, and this tutorial on how to create such model in SketchUp. So first we have to draw a circle, okay. Then you have to extrude it, and for edges smoothing we will use bevel tool. So here we will click and drag to create a bevels. Okay, now you have to just double click and make it as a group. So here you have to click over the solid tool to check your model solid or not. Now we select model and click here. This is artisan 2 tool. Okay. Now press aim and then click over the center and drag little bit downwards higher. I am just moving 20 mm downwards. Okay. Now again just go outside and then you have to again click over here and check your model is solid or not. So here other errors. So just click over to fix it, and one error is showing nested. Okay, so for that you have to just again select model and then click over here on artisan tool 2 and then click over commit option. Okay, now this model are perfectly solid. Okay, now here for creating a cardboard like cutting, you have to use a slice tool. Okay, you have to set the parameters like spacing, thickness. Okay, so here just fill the parameters carefully. So this plugin are free. Now click on OK button. Now your model are just sliced perfectly. Okay. So here I'm deleting the extra part. Now I am just selecting the model and click over the rotate tool and press Control to copy while rotation. Okay. Now just delete extra board to make it look like a image. Okay. So this is the final creation. So if you really like, please follow and share to others. Thank you.